Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Volvo XC40 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. As you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight. It's just your regular headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So to prep it, all you need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the lens and use a clean microfiber towel to help remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. And also make sure to clean this upper section of the headlight. So you're going to need the hood a little bit open. So clean this here because the tint goes inside the hood a little bit to cover the lens on the top layer here. Okay, so now that we prepped the headlight, now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film and place the tint onto the headlight. And all you need to do is just make sure you align the tint to this section of the edge of the headlight. Once we have it aligned, lift it carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath. Make sure to keep it aligned, and then on top of the film, hold it in position, grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it. And make sure as you're securing, you remove any solution that's trapped behind the section where we're squeegeeing. Once it's secured, now we can move on with the rest of the installation. This one, it only requires a light stretch in order to reach to the top edge here. So just stretch the film to remove the fingers. And as you're stretching, you will notice the fingers disappear. So as you can see, they disappear. So in order to secure the film, apply Tack Solution on this edge, place it back down, stretch it, make sure it's aligned underneath and on the curve, hold it in position, apply Tack Solution, hold it in position, and then tack it down. Okay, and now we just need to secure this top area here. So apply Tack Solution and then apply heat, and we're going to use our microfiber towel and our squeegee to help it tack down and remove these small fingers. You could wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and just tack everything down to remove the fingers. And you just rinse and repeat until everything's tacked down. And then before we apply more heat around this area to seal it, double check and see if there's any solution behind the film. If there isn't, then we can seal everything, but just make sure you don't leave any water bubbles behind the film. Okay, and now the last step is to post-heat the film to help activate the adhesive on the tint. So to post-heat, all you need to do is apply Tack Solution all over the film. Grab your heat gun and start applying heat all over the tint. Once you're done applying heat all over the film, grab your microfiber towel and slowly help tack down each edge of the film. And it's also going to help remove any solution that's trapped behind the film. And once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Volvo XC40. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.